Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with Essentials, a modern browser and a Google account signed in. Open Chrome or your preferred browser and go to Settings now. Once there, choose whether you want Google on new tab or as the explicit homepage URL. Make sure you're signed and so settings sync across devices. Next, locate the Appearance or Startup section. This is where the change happens. Don't pause, go into Settings and keep this window open while you follow the next steps. Now you configure the browser so Google appears every time. In Chrome, pick on Startup, click Open a specific page, then add a new page and enter https://www.google.com. In Firefox, use Home Settings and set Homepage and New Windows to the same URL. In Edge, choose Start and set the homepage to Google. Once done, save or confirm the change. Some browsers auto-save. Test by closing and reopening the finish by verifying the change across devices. Sync your profile so the home page follows you. If Google doesn't load, check for extensions that override startup behavior and disable them. Also inspect browser policies if this is a managed device. A work policy may prevent changes. Once you disable conflicts, re-enter https://www.google.com in the home page field and restart the browser. If problems persist, clear browser cache and try again. That single
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.